Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can create or turn text into crochet art in Canva. All you have to do now, you can open a Canva. If you don't have, please download for free from official website. Don't forget to sign in with your account. Let's start by click on apps and click AI powered. Here there are a ton of apps that powered by AI, and here you can try one by one. And one of the app is Crochet Craft. So bring your words to life one stitch at a time. Crochet Craft is an innovative app that converts text description into stunning crochet images. So simply type in your desired design and this AI powered engine will generate a beautiful handmade inspire. So let's start by click use in new design. And here we go. You can describe your crochet art. You can try an example for practicing, like a whimsical unicorn, a jack-o'-lantern, colorful mandala, a cute panda bear. Let's start with a cute dragon. So generate, please wait, this may take a few seconds. And this is the result. So here we go. The Crochet Craft has successfully uploaded the media to your library. This is the describe of my text prompt. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click this button below. See you in the next video.